Good morning, everyone. Good morning, friends. Welcome to my humble abode. Hey. Good morning.
No.
Good morning.
No.
Good morning.
You said good morning. Don't.
I'm so sorry. We are packed to the brim, all of this stuff, for 2 days. Are we ready to go? Are we ready to go? Are we ready to go? Are you ready to go? One of the two that could actually make it.
Oh, what?
It's just you and Lewis. A lighthouse tour? Here's the lighthouse. End of tour. We didn't see you. Well, why didn't you flag us down? Gerald!
Oh my god, this moves. Oh, I guess the second verse.
Don't rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Don't tip the boat.
Rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat!
I'm afraid it's gonna pinch you.
No, it won't do that, but it'll give you the massage of your life. All right. Oh, my butt.
Oh, that's how. Oh, it's like you.
Snap! That is literally the same size as the other lighthouse. It's not that much smaller. Dun 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 dun. What is even this?
What is this thing? It looks like it's built
Oh my god! I'm gonna break my legs. I feel like you're gonna snap your MCL.
Shit, that did hurt.
It's like the Elvis-legged person.
Teeter-totter? Is it a teeter-totter or a seesaw? I think you need to get on the other side, Caleb. Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
I'm so glad we came to
Do you want to get in that thing, Kelsey? Oh! Is this gonna hit it? Alright, buckle up.
I feel like I'm gonna really I'm too fat, I'm sorry. You can hear it. Ah! Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
That was something that I was
Again. Yeah, buddy! Look at him go. I'm nervous. Are you gonna jump in for real? I'm nervous! Buddy, get out yet. Let me hold it for you. The air conditioner.
Everyone go inside. Whoa, 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 guys, don't spoil anything. I know.
I feel like a rich person.
Three people in here. Not me. This is very nice. Oh boy, I call top bunk.
No, it's mine. So much more fun, for more room for activities.
Whoa, man.
I know, going through here, it's like weird because it's just like.
Oh.
So it's a bath and a half. They got a TV in there, a bed here too, if you need it. The backyard.
Backyard's bathroom.
They got a pool over there. Where the commoners are.
Oh, they do have firewood. Let me see it. Let me see my badge of honor. Oh, the groom to be. We got Tiger King.
Joe Exotic.
Same Joe Exotic.
Are those the same people or no?
Yeah.
Drives every morning.